Welcome to City Group, a leading conglomerate in Bangladesh known for its commitment to quality and innovation. In 2019, Van Aarsen proudly partnered with City Group. This resulted in a new feed mill with a production capacity of 111 tons per hour across 9 lines. City Group prioritized specific criteria, aiming to integrate new equipment including a cutting-edge automation system, while retaining some of their existing machinery, all of which meets European quality standards. Van Aarsen was selected as the ideal partner to execute this project for the aqua, cattle, and poultry feed production lines, with capacities of 21, 40, and 50 tons per hour. For all feed production processes, raw materials undergo several steps to ensure high-quality feed. The raw materials are received at high-capacity bag intake facilities, with a total capacity of 260 tons per hour across 8 dumping pits, each equipped with a separate cleaning section. These raw materials are then transported to the dosing silos. From the silos, they are weighed and dosed using 1,000, 3,000, and 4,000 kilogram long bin macro weighers and 3 square 1,000 kilogram mineral weighers, one of which is directly connected to the poultry line mixer. In the aqua feed production process, Van Aarsen integrated their pre-grinding solution before the dosing section to achieve the desired particle size. Afterwards, for the 7-ton per hour sinking shrimp feed line, the raw materials pass through a vertical mixer to pre-mix ingredients before proceeding to the 2D 1400 hammer mill for grinding on a 1 mm screen. This process applies grinding in loop, with a centrifugal sifter ensuring feed uniformity. All oversized particles are returned to the grinding process and will be regrinded until all the materials have passed the 1 mm screen. After grinding, materials enter the 2,000-liter multi-mix single-shaft paddle mixer for further mixing with the additions of liquids. A micro-dosing system ensures a continuous flow of smaller components, all in one mixer. Next, the materials are transported to the duplex steam mixer into the pelleting line where the CU900 dynamic pellet mill produces pellets ranging from 1.8 mm to 4 mm in diameter. To improve water stability, a post-conditioner is used, as steam and retention time close the outer surface of pellets. The pellets then proceed to the dryer, after which the pellets are cooled to ambient temperature in the counterflow cooler. A crumbler is integrated to ensure the correct particle size for starter or baby shrimp feed. After the crumbling process, the pellets or crumbs proceed to the sieve, where fines or coarse particles are separated out. To ensure accurate liquid dosage, a weighing screw is integrated before liquid dosing in the continuous pellet coater. Finally, before bagging off, additional screening is conducted to divide the feed into more fractions, thereby optimizing the feed conversion rate. Van Aarsen also provided the second complete aqua line, dedicated to producing sinking and floating starter feed. The process begins with a high-tip speed pulverizer for thorough grinding of the raw materials. They are then transferred to the 1,000-liter multi-mix paddle mixer to create a homogeneous mixture. The centrifugal sifters prevent large particles from entering the extrusion line. Extrusion occurs in a twin-screw extruder, resulting in pellets with a diameter ranging from 0.6 to 3 mm. The pellets then undergo integrated drying and cooling before proceeding to sieving, coating, and bagging off, similar to the sinking shrimp feed line. For the third aqua feed line, Van Aarsen utilized an existing extruder line. To complement this setup, Van Aarsen delivered new grinding, mixing, microdosing, and centrifugal sifter lines, similar to the previously mentioned aqua feed lines. The cattle and poultry raw materials progress to the post-grinding setup featuring 3 grinding and mixing lines, 1 for the production of cattle feed and 2 lines for producing poultry feed. Looking closer at the 40 tons per hour cattle feed grinding and mixing line, the Van Aarsen GD1400 hammer mill seamlessly integrates with an existing hammer mill. The poultry grinding and mixing lines are divided into two separate lines. The first line, with a capacity of 30 tons per hour, features a Van Aarsen GD 1400 hammer mill and roller mill. The addition of the roller mill allows for easy adjustment of particle size for this specific feed type. The second poultry line uses existing machinery with a capacity of 20 tons per hour. For all three animal feed lines, components are mixed into two 8,000-liter multi-mix single-shaft paddle mixers. Other additional components can be added via the hand additive bins, positioned on top of the mixers. A total of 3 microdosing systems ensure an accurate addition of smaller components. Specifically in the cattle feed process, molasses are added in the malaise mixer to boost nutrition and flavor. The poultry line, on the other hand, is equipped to produce mash feed, which can be directly conveyed to the finished feed silos. The mixture then moves to the, in total for all animal feed lines, 6 pelleting lines, where dosing screws regulate product transport based on pellet mill load demand. It then passes through the newly installed conditioning lines, consisting of 6 steam mixers and long-term vessels. From there, the compound proceeds either to the 2 new Van Aarsen CU900 dynamic pellet mills, each with a capacity of 20 tons per hour, or to one of 4 existing pellet mills, each with a capacity of 10 tons per hour. Following pelletization, the pellets are cooled to almost ambient temperature in the counterflow cooler. They undergo sieving to remove dust, which is then recycled back into the process. Finally, the pellets are transported to the finished feed silos and directed to the filling station for packaging into 25, 40, or 50 kilogram bags, depending on the feed type. With a rich history in the industry, Van Aarsen possesses a deep knowledge of feed processes and machines they offer. Combined with their cutting-edge E and IA solutions, this expertise ensures the seamless integration of advanced technologies, resulting in highly efficient, reliable, and innovative solutions. In collaboration with Citigroup in Bangladesh, Van Aarsen has designed a feed mill that perfectly matches their requirements and objectives. A perfect fit solution.